Form 5329 reports additional taxes on early or improper withdrawals from retirement accounts. The most common situation is Part 1, the 10% early withdrawal penalty when you take money out of a traditional IRA or 401k before age 59 and a half. Let's fill that out. At the top, enter your name and social security number exactly as they appear on your Form 1040. Part 1 is about early distributions. Line 1 is the amount from your retirement account that was included in your taxable income, which you find in Box 2A of your Form 1099-R. Anna withdrew $10,000 from her traditional IRA early, so she enters $10,000 here. Line 3 is the portion subject to the additional tax, after subtracting any exceptions on Line 2. Since Anna has no qualifying exception, it equals Line 1. Line 4 is the penalty itself, 10% of Line 3. 10% of $10,000 is $1,000, and that amount flows to Schedule 2 of your Form 1040. Attach Form 5329 to your 1040 when you file. If you do have a qualifying exception to the penalty, look up the exception code in the Form 5329 instructions and enter it on Line 2 to reduce or eliminate the tax. Fill yours out free at FormsPal. This is general information, not tax advice.